largely, I would say, confined into a pivot just about 150 odd points for the index, because I think we've been through a very interesting patch over the last few days. I think on Friday we saw a sharp correction for the index. Thursday also was very similar. We opened up on a slightly positive note, but then from there we saw the indices going into a corrective mode. And then on Monday, yesterday, we saw the index managing to show some excellent recovery and coming back to that 25,000 mark. So I think all in all, it's been a interesting last 3-4 days for the indices. But I think today could be more of a tepid day for the index. That's what my expectation is. And generally, we've seen that when we see a strong candlestick up move, subsequent to the day when the index has actually seen a downtick move, post that we actually see a couple of days of index consolidating. But I think what we saw yesterday was very strong signs that large cap stocks and sectors were making a very strong and a dramatic comeback. In fact, at the end of the day, there were two important data points. The VIX, the India VIX, had still not risen up to 15.5 odd plus mark, and we managed to have a very mature kind of a price action where the India VIX settled at 14.67 levels. And then on the other hand, we saw the advanced decline ratio a lot more flattish, even after almost like a 0.81% move for the index. So this indicates that maybe over the next couple of days, you might see the market breadth opening up and the index consolidating.
Okay, so that's the take on what could happen in the week going ahead according to Kunal. But Rudra, coming to you, I remember last time we interacted, you were very bullish on the markets and you had said buy any dips. Does that, buy any dip rather is what you had said, does that strategy still hold on given the kind of run-up that we've seen yesterday, and we're expecting the rest of the week to go well as well?
Very good morning and thanks for having me in the show. So I am just a bit skeptical at current market price, and yes, we saw a move towards the 25,000, 25,200. Now markets will consolidate and it will spend some time in this range. The range is 24,400 to 25,200. I know it's an 800 point range, but yes, market will consolidate for some time here. And if you see Bank Nifty, the similar range is 54,500 to 56,100. So yes, this is another range of about 1,800, 2,000 point, and Nifty a range of about that 800 point. Market has to spend some time here. And yes, there is a popular saying which I read yesterday, which says buy when cannons are firing and sell when trumpets are blowing. Yes, cannons are firing from all cylinders, and this escalation can take markets to that 24,400 support zone. You have to be very sector specific and stock specific in this market, and I will tell you, momentum will come only once we cross 25,200 on Nifty. Till then, I will be cautiously bullish and I'll be very sector specific and stock specific in this market. Index will see some time-wise consolidation here.
Right. Okay, let's talk stocks then, Kunal.